Okay, so welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to set up a fake access point with internet access. So first of all you need to install bridgeutils by typing apt install bridgeutils. And here you can see I already installed the program on my system. Okay, now the next step is to create the bridge interface. So in the terminal type brctl, add br and put the name for the bridge interface. And I will use br0. Next type brctl, add if br0 and put the interface which provides you with internet access. So I will open a new tab and type ifconfig. And in my case I have internet access from ETH0. So I will type ETH0 here. This will create a bridge between BR0 and ETH0. Once done with that, type ifconfig BR0 up to bring the interface up. Okay, so the last step is to modify the host apd config file and add the bridge interface. So to do that, I will type nano hostapd.conf. And here under the wireless interface, type bridge equal br0 and save the file. Okay, now I will start the access point using hostapd and put the location for the configuration file. And -b to run the command in the background. Okay, so let's switch to the Windows machine and connect to the access point and open the web browser. And you can see I have internet access. So at this point you can use a deauthentication attack to kick users from other networks and force them to connect to your fake access point. And to do that I will go back to the Kali machine, and this time I'm going to use a different tool called MDK. So I will type MDK WLAN1mon for the wireless interface, D for the authentication and -C and put the channel number. And press enter. Now this attack is very effective because we'll disconnect all devices operating on channel 1. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.